What's up guys, it's Nadri back here with another video. So in this video I will be talking about the 5 or maybe less disappointments about the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video and let's see what are the disappointment has Samsung given to us. Okay, so first of all we are coming down to the battery section. So the Note 10 has got 3500 mAh battery and the Note 10 Plus has got 4300 mAh battery. But the thing is that battery life is may or may not be sufficient for both the phones. As you can see that it has got a full HD plus AMOLED panel with some certain mode or kind of more refresh rate and more than pixel density, brightness and all. And they have even got the live focus technology, cinematic video recording, cinematic filters with live focus on their cameras. So that much will take so much amount of battery drainage from that particular phone. That far also goes for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, because the Note 10 Plus is all the packed, or you can say all sum of packed feature which any user want, and that phone is for only the power users. Okay, so but the main thing is also going to be added for the Galaxy S Pen. So the Galaxy S Pen or the S Pen which comes within or comes inside the body of Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus will also consume battery. They are saying that Bluetooth will be less consuming the battery, but as far as concerned, I think it is not true. So that is kind of first disappointment for the battery section of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Okay, as MKBZ said on today's video which he has uploaded, he said that Samsung has again followed the trend for the new disposal of headphone jack. So this time in the Note series lineup you will not be able to get the headphone jack, and you have to use the USB Type-C headphones which will be included in the box by Samsung. So this exclusion is available for both Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, and this is a huge celebration for the wireless headphone users who are really excited to use this great set of phones with wirelessly. So get a clap for them. Yeah, so but I think even though the phone is thick, as I am using this Poco and this is kind of thick, but the thickness as far as concerned for the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus is even thicker than slightly thicker than this. Since you can think that Samsung can include an S Pen in the Note lineup, but why not a headphone jack on top of that? Even though they are not having the pop-up selfie camera or mechanism there where camera comes underneath the display or inside the phone's body. And even though the storage expansion is also there and the battery is big, I understand, but why not make the body little bit slight centimeter millimeter taller and include the headphone jack, so Samsung will get a boost in performance for the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus lineup. So that's a major disappointment in the headphone jack or removal of headphone jack for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S10. Sorry, for the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Sorry, I am not used to the Note lineup like discussion, so I have been using the S10 and the S10 Plus, so I am extremely sorry for that. Okay, so as you all know that Note 10 and Note 10 Plus comes with a hole punch camera. Yes, you're right, or I am right that it comes with a hole punch camera, but there is a recent deterioration in the camera quality. Like as you all know that the big cameras have the advantage of capturing low light images shot on or shot at dark. But the thing that is going on the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, to achieve that cinematic infinity display or infinity O display for the Note 10 and Note 10 lineup, they have reduced the aperture. Yes, so the aperture is now not like the usual big size aperture. Sorry about the details. I have actually forgotten about the aperture size before making the video, and the aperture size is mentioned on that particular script right behind me, but I totally forgot about it. So anyway, sorry for that. But the thing is that due to result in reducing of the low aperture, the phone's selfie quality or taking selfie for a particular person in a low light will be reduced. Not that much, but it will definitely deteriorate at a very good amount. But one more thing is that the videos which actually the front camera records in the S10 and the S10 Plus is impressive, because they have depth control camera and depth control sensor, and another thing is that they have got a big aperture to take the low light or or grasp bit more light into the sensor and to give a bright image on the video. So that has been removed, and that's a quite disappointment to me. Okay, so now the X50 for the 5G networking capable for Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus is having some problems right now. So there are not many areas, or you can say there are actually 0 areas where the 5G networking has been started, and only the Verizon group has started this, where the 5G variant for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus will be costing more than $1,300. As you know that the Note 10 and I think will be costing around $1,300, or the Note 10 Plus will be costing plus $1,300. That is usually a good premium price, where Samsung and Apple can be compared for the premium prices in this range. But the thing is that the 5G networking will not be available until 2020. As in the script or as in the details it is been written that there are also issues with Qualcomm X50 chip, where T-Mobile and AT&T will get the X55. That means the AT or the X55 will be an upgraded version for the X50, since the X50 which has been included in the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus is having some problem, or maybe it will have some problem. So they have actually further improved for the Galaxy, or sorry, for the chipset of X55. So yeah, that's the major disappointment from the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. And for the last, I might say that 2020 is far off, and more new phones will be coming to this year, or maybe 2020 or 2021 or 22, whatever. But 5G networking is still being tested and not being fully final for the run on the Galaxy or the any smartphone which is running 5G networking. But the thing is that you should always change your phone. I am not encouraging, actually. You should always whatever. So guys, it's nothing for me. Just signing out. Till then, keep calm, have a great day. I hope you have liked the video, enjoyed it. If you haven't, definitely there is a dislike button, so have it there, and subscribe. This is my new setup, by the way. I set it up yesterday.